Mukhang hindi pa sila nakamove on sa eleksyon. At mukhang pulutan na naman nila ako sa politika. Huwag na kayo masa. Kayo na lang magpresidente. Total, makukulong din naman kayo pagkatapos eh. Naging habit na natin yan eh. I really don't care. With all honesty. I owe it to the people of Manila. This second win. I owe it to you. I will stay. I will stay if you allow me for the next 10 years of our lives. Huwag niyo na ako isama dyan sa mudslinging competition ninyo. Hayaan ko na kayong manalo. Pero someday, you're going to us. And you're gonna ask for our vote. The people of Manila will vote for those who fit in the office. Who see, or the way we'll look at it. But for the meantime, sabi ko paulit-ulit, hindi madali itong second term na to. Nalulungkot lang ako sa mga ibang politiko pagpalundagin. Who doesn't know and decide and choose hard decision. And in leadership, sometimes you have to bite the bullet. Maasim man ang suka, kailangan mong inumin. And leaders should be in front, not behind. Leaders, the root word is lead. Lead, normally, ang pinakamadali na ibig sabihin nun, ikaw ang nasa unahan. Hindi ka nagtatago sa takot mong ma-re-elect o sa takot mong ma-elect. Because decisions should be made. Decisions must be done. And hard decisions, ang pinakamadali sa pagiging leader ay yung Miss Congeniality, pang Miss Universe. Wala kang gawin, wala kang kaaway, pero wala ring serbisyo. At nakita niyo yan. Nakita niyo yan. If you are a passive leader, no work will be done. And I'm happy. Kaya masaya ako pag nakikita ko kayo pagka-Lunes, sapagkat pasan kuman ang daigdig, gumagaang dala ng dahil sa inyo na mga kasamahan kong naglilingkod sa bayan. The city of 2 million people, nighttime, in the city of 3 million people, daytime. It's a challenging city. An old city. Diyan minsan na-detest ang leadership ng mga halal ng bayan. Kaya sometimes you really have to make a decision. And this decision, in the long term, if I may borrow City Administrator's statement, in the long term, the people of Manila will benefit from it. Sa umpisa, masakit sa kilikili. Masakit sa kasukasuhan ang paglalakbay. Ngunit, kung hindi mo titiisin ang sakit, hirap at pighati, hindi ka makararating sa gusto mong paroonan. Kaya sa inyo, mga kapwa ko lingkod bayan, ay paulit-ulit para akong sirang plaka, pero every Monday papaalala ko to. I cannot do it alone. Serving the people efficiently, serving the people today, doing service today, and serving the people for tomorrow and their children ay nakaatang sa balikat nating lahat. While I am the mayor, but the mayor cannot just resolve alone all the problems. I need each and every one of you to do public service. So help me to be a better city of Manila na tinitingala kayo mismo. In fact, kahit sa kapitbahay ninyo, saan ka nagtatrabaho? Sa City Hall. Wow! Kayo'y tinitingala sapagkat, sabi nga, many are called, but few are chosen. You were the chosen one. You have now the opportunity to create change, to help. A few minutes ago, when you passed by here, I saw another 2 children. Dalawang bata na naman. Paul. Dalawang bata na naman. I don't know why they are coming to the city of Manila. There is 1,600 LGU. There are about 200 plus cities. Mas mayaman sa atin ang Quezon City. Mas mayaman sa atin ang Pasig. Mas mayaman sa atin ang Makati. Mas marami silang pera. Pero bakit ang mga pasyente sa atin tumatakbo? Mapapaisip kayo. Mapapaisip kayo. Wala na tayong pera, takbuhan pa tayo ng pasyente. Why? You know, the answer is because the city of Manila, no matter how hard it is, we will continue to help the people. As we speak, there are kids now in the operating room. Hopefully that God will bless them. At mabuhay sila sa kanilang transport. You did that. Ako lang ang tulay. Salamat sa taxpayers of the city of Manila. This is where their money is going. To provide better healthcare. To provide financial assistance to those lives are being threatened by dreadful disease and life-threatening situation. Di baling mawala ang pera. Di baling gumastos ako ng milyon-milyon. Sa'yo. Mabuhay ka lang. Ang pera ay mawawala. Ngunit darating muli. Pag ang buhay nawala, hindi ko kayang ibalik yun. These are the things lagi niyong ilalagay sa inyong puso, sa inyong isipan. Magbubuti tayo. Pahabain natin ang kamay natin. Aakapin natin ang kaya nating akapin.